Hello guys, it's iCrack here, one device, and today I'm going to show you how to make any song in your library that you didn't purchase on iTunes, which you could have got from YouTube. It could be a torrent, or could have got it from a CD. But I'm going to show you guys how to make a ringtone out of that, and this can't be a song that you purchased off of iTunes. Alright, so I'm just going to do I'll do a lot of my songs have been purchased. I'll just do the motivation because I never bought that. Alright. So what you're going to do here is just left click it, go to get info. Sorry, it's kind of slow. And once it comes up, click on options. Go on the start time and start at the time that you want to start at, which I don't really care. I'm just showing you guys. So I'll start it at 20 seconds, and I'll just end it. It must be under 40 seconds, by the way. I'll just do that. And then we click OK. Now left click, do get create ACC version, which it will do. There. And now before you do anything, go to your one that's like 30 seconds long or whatever. No, go to your normal one. Left click it again, do get info, and just take those off. So your song will play how long it's supposed to be. And just click OK. Now your 30-second one, click and drag it out of iTunes onto your desktop, and then delete the motivation or your song from iTunes. And once you've done that, all you do now is just go to rename, or if you have a Mac, I'm not sure how different it is, I don't know. Just go to rename and just change the A to an R. And click on it. And there it is. And now, if you go on tones, it's right there, the motivation, the ringtone. And that's how you make ringtones with just iTunes. Thank you, and please subscribe.